Is that on?
Huh?
Yeah. We've got to go to the wobbly table, haven't we? Oh.
How many mags you got?
3. Oh! I can't believe how much space they've actually got to
It's mad, isn't it?
fly.
I quite like this little area.
Yeah, this is how I envision combat.
Yeah.
That one. Yeah.
Good luck, guys. Good luck.
We've only brought out deagles. I'm running double pistol. Oh, nice. Someone walking up behind the smoke.
Sorry, sorry. Watch them following him. Watch if anyone's following him.
I bet John feels like a badass doing that.
Not seeing anything through smoke right now.
Okay, we've got people right at the back going that. Going to our left.
To our left.
They're not. Hit, buddy. I got him, but he got me.
Where that came from.
Coming across the bridge to your 1 o'clock, dude. Your 1 o'clock. Right. Moving across the bridge now.
Where he is?
I got one there and then in the arse. So just, I don't really know. Just
Nice shot, dude. Nice fucking shot. There's a second. They were, yeah. They were that size. That's fucking tasty, that thing.
Yeah.
There's a big fucking stick there. Nearly fucking died. I think it's a log. I think it's a log. He said blue. He said blue.
There's a red guy behind him. Oh.
That's our lad pushed right up.
There's a red guy down there though. What the fuck?
He's running. There's a red guy here somewhere. The gas come out. No, no. It shot about 3 inches because the gas had come out.
Guys, go down there, guys, go down there.
Straight down, Adam. Straight down, Adam. Nice. Where's this bridge in front of us? Bridge is this way.
On the blue car.
I'm not sure if they're out or not, but there's someone down there. I think they're out. Yeah, they're out.
I think the bridge is here, Adam. He's hit, he's hit, he's hit. Guy in the white behind at the back. I can't hurdle that.
Where's the box got to get to?
Right, keep pushing. Keep pushing, let's go.
Fuck a duck. Just keep pushing up, Blues, just keep pushing up.
Hit!
Good take, buddy. There's one straight in front of you, dude. Two straight in front. Ah, gas. Out of gas.
That's a desert eagle.
Certainly is.
It's okay if we can have a shot. Oh, thanks.
Go nuts.
Is it cocked?
It is.
Oh!
Yeah, watch out, it kicks back.
Yeah.
was expecting that, I just didn't think.
Yeah,
My thumb's gone.
kicks back, be careful.
Sorry, mate. Thank you.
Go on, have a ping if you want, have a proper.
Oh no, I'm gone.
Sure?
Yeah.
Just going to let these off, Marshall, and then we're going to call it a day.
Right, mate.
I'm just going to hold this up.
Just so I can feel it.
Guys, all magged out, mate, safe. Ready?
Like to paint us.
What about this camera? That's not gonna
Ah,
me, please.
be alright.
Don't point it in my face.
Ah! Yeah, round two. I think a load of that might have just come out with gas. Yeah. Nah, go on.
How you know exactly it feels at that distance?
Yeah, do you want to go? We'll fucking ping you. Take that camera off though. Yeah.
Mag out, mate, safe, gentlemen. Lovely stuff. Make safe, clear your gun. Lovely. Make sure you clear that gun, please, mate. Kick it into the ground, please. Yeah, we're talking about it. That's it, yeah. So we're bringing everyone in first of all, make sure we've got everyone.
I'll wait for these lads to get past you.
Yeah.
Hold your balls.
I'm magged out, mate, safe.
Right, that's us done for the weekend.
Oh, you've got big smiles on your face though.
Yeah.
We really enjoyed today.
No, it's been our first official time here. We've enjoyed it. It's been really good.
Glad to hear, guys.
Really, really good. So
Hope to see you again soon.
we will be back.
definitely, we do.
Definitely be